Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your TickPick account's password from your mobile device. This is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, make sure that you've downloaded and installed TickPick by opening your app store and searching for TickPick on the search bar, and simply go ahead and install it. Once you've done that, click on the open button right over here, click on allow and click on sign in. Once you've done that, click on use password instead. Now in order to go ahead and reset your password, simply tap on forgot password down here and click on OK. So first, simply go ahead and enter your email and then click on forgot password. And what it's going to do is it's going to simply go ahead and send you a verification code to the email. And all you need to do is enter that verification code back into the application and your account will be reset. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you.